Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I'm excited to have partnered with Fabfitfun to share with you a preview of their fall add-ons. Now, if you're not familiar with add-ons, they are a members only flash sale where you can shop products at amazing discounts that ship with your box. Now these items do sell out very quickly, so if you see anything that you're interested in this video, I highly recommend heading right over and adding it. Also, if you're already a member, you can upgrade to an annual subscription to gain early access to add-ons every single season. And it is worth it because the good ones go really quickly. So I'm going to be sharing with you just a few of the add-on options for the fall. They are amazing. These are probably the best add-ons that I've seen maybe ever, and I have been subscribed for a few years. So I'm really excited, you guys. So the first fall add-on is this amazing Fujifilm Instax Mini 9. And these are the cute little instant cameras. I'm sure that you've seen them. And I actually have one of these and they're so much fun. They take like really cute old school like looking photos, and obviously they come out instantly. They print right out. So it's just amazing. A really fun little camera. Looks like this. I love it. Also includes the Fujifilm Instax Mini 9 Groovy case. There's a cute little pleather case that keeps your camera safe. You can see this one is obviously a really cute little gray. It comes with a shoulder strap so that you can carry it easily on the go. They also have the Fujifilm Instax Mini Instant Film, and this is 2 packs of 10 sheets, so you can take 20 pictures. Just a really fun camera. Love this, especially for the teens, moms. I know that my 3-year-old loves to take pictures with this, you know, because it's easy for the younger kiddos to use. So that's a really fun bundle. Great idea for the upcoming Christmas season or birthdays. So I absolutely love this add-on option. These are really fun little cameras. The next add-on is this R&Co round brush. Comes in the cutest little packaging. It's like a little tube with a cityscape on it. I'm a sucker for good packaging. And inside, we have a sample of the R&Co Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. And the round brush has natural boar bristles. I love boar bristle brushes. Say that 3 times fast. They are amazing for round brushing, make your hair really soft and smooth and silky. So when I round brush my hair, I always use a brush like this. So I'm really excited to have a new one. This one looks really nice, really sturdy bristles. So, and I just love how small the handle is, so really easy to grip. So that's an amazing add-on. So my next fall add-on is so cute. It is this adorable little furry tote in this cute like beige caramel color. This is so soft. It literally feels like a little teddy bear. Has these adorable little handles. It does have a snap closure. It's lined. So just so cute. Look, it's like a little fur tote. I love stuff like this for fall. And while I'm sharing with you guys all the furry fall goodness, another add-on option is this adorable little furry pom-pom pop socket. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. It does have the little 3M sticker on the back. It just pops right on your phone. I cannot live without a pop socket. I have one on my phone right now. As you can see, this one I've had for like over a year now, and it's getting so faded. So I'm excited to have a new one for fall. And how cute is it? Little pom-pom ball. This next add-on is amazing. I'm so excited about this. It is the PMD Personal Microderm. And basically this is like having clinical quality microdermabrasion at home. So I'm so excited. This is going to reveal fresh and radiant skin. It's just an at-home treatment. So I have been dying for one of these. So it comes with the entire kit. How cool is this? You can see it's pink. So cute. So this is what the PMD Pro looks like. You can see it's really cute, super easy to handle. And the kit does come with the charger. It comes with another smooth glide cap. It also comes with a number of different discs that you can switch out. It looks like 1, 2, 3. It comes with 6. from an ultra sensitive disc to a very coarse disc, and there's also one for body. So I absolutely love this add-on idea. So many amazing fragrance options in the fall add-ons. This is the English Laundry fragrance collection. It comes with the original English Laundry perfume, English Laundry's Notting Hill Femme, English Laundry's number 7, and the Oxford Bleu Femme. All amazing. I did smell all of these. They range from like a sweet floral all the way to a more like musky scent, which is typically what I prefer, especially for fall. Absolutely love this set. Really great gift option. I think all of these would make amazing Christmas presents. I mean, this is like a really big kit. Another fall add-on option is from Corksicle. This is their 24-ounce tumbler, and I actually have a couple of these. They are amazing. 9 hours cold, 3 hours hot, so you can put your coffee, your cocoa, your tea, your smoothie, whatever you want in this tumbler, and it is going to keep the temperature just right. Like, it's awesome. Absolutely love the color of this one. It's like a beautiful, rich Merlot color. Looks amazing with my mustard top. Just love this for fall. So another really great option for men or women as a gift. Next add-on is from Botanique Beauty. I think that's how you say it. And it is a Nourish and Hydrate Deeply Hydrating and Replenishing Mask. This kit does come with 5 individually wrapped masks, which is amazing. They have a ton of really awesome natural ingredients. And as you can see, it comes with 5 of these masks. Another really awesome mask option. This is the 7 Days mask set from Ariel. You have bamboo water, green tea, pomegranate, lemon, avocado, aloe, and tea tree. The whole week of masks here. Each mask is going to tackle a different skin concern, and each one is packaged to tell you what kind of that mask treats, what it's best for. So the next fall add-on is another really great fragrance option from Nanette Lepore. This is the Colors of Nanette fragrance collection. Again, really fun, bright packaging. This gift set does come with the full-size perfume, a travel-size perfume, and the body lotion. So just a beautiful set. Look at that. So pretty, so fun. Look how large the full-size bottle is of this set. That scent's amazing. I definitely think that that's going to be like my go-to fragrance for the fall. Next add-on is from Amber Skeets, and this is a really cute pair of shades. It does come with the bag. These are super cute. They kind of remind me of the little Ray-Bans that I love so much, the Wayfarers. Oh my gosh, love those. Really great, especially if you have like a small or more narrow face like I do. This style is like really flattering. Right, what do we have here? So this is from Her Minerals. This is their 24K Gold Eye Mask. It comes with 2 eye masks. I always love these because I have very dark under eye circles. I get a lot of puffiness. So eye masks are like a lifesaver, especially the gold ones. Like, who doesn't want 24 karat gold on their face? Yes. Then this is so cute. So these are sticky notes decorated in assorted sizes, 70 sheets per pad from Paper Source, and it says, "I've totally got this." And then when you open it up, you have your notes, a to-do list, little sticky pads that say like hustle, and this one says blah blah blah, and those are like the little sticky what do you call them? They're like the flag ones that you put in your planner. So, oh my gosh, this is a really cute little set, especially if you're like a big Erin Condren type planner like me. This is the Empress bracelet set. And let me take it out. Ooh, it actually has nice weight, like almost like light stones. So that's awesome. All of the bracelets are individual. You can see it's a really pretty gold. These are my ones I was already wearing. But it comes with 5 of these bracelets, super shiny and great even for smaller wrists because I do have small wrists. You can see they're elastic, so they're stretchy, which I love. And I think that these would be really beautiful by themselves and also as like a layering piece. So this next earring set is from Etika. These are the 18 karat gold plated brass and Kyocera opal earrings. You can see you get a set of 3 fun little designs, really pretty. The Kyocera Opal almost comes off like a iridescent turquoise. And they are just beautiful. You can see that they do have stud backs, which I love. And this next add-on is from Bing Bang Jewelry. And you can see they are cute little XO studs in silver. Next is this Moria moisturizer from South Seas brand. It is all natural shea butter, 24-hour hydration, non-greasy, and paraben-free. This is 10 fluid ounces, so you can see this is a very large pump bottle. Not greasy at all, almost has like that watery moisturizing texture where it just melts right into your skin and leaves it feeling satiny. It is a very fresh lemon scent, so that's really nice. Next add-on is from Milk Makeup. I love this brand. This is their lip vinyl in the shade Flossy. A brown toned berry shade, if that makes sense. And the lip vinyl is super amazingly pigmented. Look how pigmented that is. Not sticky, really great coverage. It doesn't go on blotchy. And I actually even just applied this over the lipstick I was already wearing, and it's not like patchy at all. Really smooth, not settling into my lines. So impressed with this. Okay, next is the Moroccan Gold Series Leave-In Mask, Intense Care for All Hair Types. This is pure Moroccan argan oil enriched. So you can never have too many leave-in masks in this house. Oh my gosh, my hair can be such a rat nest. So I love that this one is a spray one. Just spray it onto your damp hair, comb through, and style. My kind of leave-in, okay? Quick and easy, smells really good. I already smell it. Ooh, that's really nice. Super, super fresh smell. Next add-on is from Frequency, and this is their Positivity Aromatherapy Perfume Oil. How cool. There are like herbs and stuff floating inside the bottle. How neat is that? And jade crystals. Ooh, fancy. Okay, so next add-on is from Wraps. This is their Wristband headphones. How cool is that? And these are in the pink color. The jack actually plugs into this little rubber piece that holds your earbuds like that. And then you can just keep them on your wrist like a bracelet. So, you know, if you leave the gym and you go somewhere, or if you're jogging and you don't want to just be carrying your earbuds around your neck, you can just have them on your wrist. Cool, and it looks like a cute little bracelet, so I love that idea. The final two fall add-ons are actually sponsored add-ons for the season, and they are available for free to US members with a qualifying purchase of $15 in your carts. So this is the Barilla Chickpea Rotini. Yummy, yummy. And this is made with just one ingredient, chickpeas. That's it. See, 11 grams of protein. That is amazing. So you can make this awesome pasta salad with it. And the other sponsored add-on is from Mint Mobile. This is their Cleverness Kit. And inside of it, it has a SIM card. And you can activate the SIM card and start a whole new affordable cell phone plan. So that's pretty nice if you're interested. So those are all of the fall 2019 add-ons that I had to share with you guys. If you saw anything you were interested in, definitely head right over and add them ASAP, because I'm telling you guys, the good ones sell out very quickly, especially with all of these amazing options. A lot of these are really great gift ideas. Christmas is getting ready to be coming up. I always shop early. So yeah, definitely recommend adding them to your cart as soon as possible. And don't forget, I always include a $10 off coupon code for you guys off your first Fabfitfun box down below. Just an amazing deal. I'm always so impressed with their boxes. Great add-on options this season. I'm really excited to share the upcoming fall box with you guys. So thank you all so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite fall add-on that I shared today was. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.